Welcome to my channel. Hello friends, today we will discuss international organizations in the context of Indian economy. International organizations are global or regional bodies formed by multiple countries to promote cooperation, economic stability, and peace across nations. They play a crucial role in the global economic system, influencing India's economy through trade policies, financial aids, investment, and governance norms. Major international economic organizations are as follow. First, International Monetary Fund, IMF. It was established in 1944 after Bretton Woods Conference. Headquarters are at Washington, D.C., USA. 90 plus countries are its members. India joined IMF in 1945. Functions of IMF: it provides short-term loans to countries facing imbalance of payment crisis. It monitors global monetary and exchange rate stability, offers technical and policy advice on fiscal and monetary management. India's relation with IMF. India borrowed IMF loans during 1991 balance of payment crisis. India contributes to IMF quotas and has voting rights. IMF's advice helped India reform its economy during LPG, that is liberalization, privatization, and globalization reforms during 1991. Second is World Bank Group, WBG. It was established in 1944. It includes IBRD, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, IDA, International Development Association, IFC, MIGA, ICS functions. It provides long-term development loans for infrastructure, health, education, and poverty reduction. It supports sustainable development and reforms in developing countries. India's relation with WBC, one of the largest borrower. India is one of the largest borrowers from the World Bank. Funding for projects like Smart Cities Mission, PMGSY, and Swachh Bharat Mission are done by WBG. Third is World Trade Organization, WTO. It was established in 1995. It has replaced GATT in 1947. Its headquarters are at Geneva, Switzerland. Functions: it regulates international trade rules and reduces trade barriers among countries. It provides a dispute settlement mechanism among member countries. It promotes free and fair trade. India's role: India is the founding member, actively participates in negotiations for agriculture subsidies, patents, and services trade. For example, India defended its food security programs under WTO rules. Next is United Nations Conference for Trade and Development, UNCTAD. It was established in 1964. Its headquarters are in Geneva. Its function is to promote trade and investment opportunities for developing nations. It analyzes global economic trends and publishes reports like World Investment Report. India's role in UNCTAD. India is beneficiary of UNCTAD program supporting FDI, foreign direct investment, and digital economy initiatives. Next is Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD. It was established in 1961. It has 38 members, which are developed nations. Function: it promotes policy coordination and economic research. It develops standards for taxation, investment, and governance. India's role: not a member, but an active partner in several OECD initiatives like BEPS, base erosion and profit shifting, to curb tax avoidance by multinational companies. Next is Asian Development Bank, ADB. It was established in 1966. Its headquarters are in Manila, Philippines. Has 68 members, including India. Its functions: it provides loans and grants for development projects, projects in Asia Pacific. It focuses on infrastructure, energy, and social sector. India's role, one of the founding member and largest borrowers. ADB supports metro rail, renewable energy, and rural development projects in India. Then BRICS, BRICS, BRICS Bank, which includes the countries Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. New Development Bank, NDB. It was established in 2014. Members are Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, headquarters in Shanghai. Function funds infrastructure and sustainable projects in BRICS under emerging economies. It promotes South cooperation. India's role in BRICS. It is co-founded several projects in solar energy and road development and smart cities have been funded. It is World Economic Forum, that is WEF. It was established in 1971. Its headquarters is in Geneva. It is famous for annual meeting at Davos, Switzerland. Functions platform for global leaders, policymakers, and business heads to discuss global economic issues. It publishes reports like Global Competitiveness Index and Gender Gap Report. India's role uses the WEF platform to attract global investors and showcase reforms like Make in India and Digital India. Importance for India's economy. Back to India, funding helps in infrastructure, health, and social development. Policy guidance provides advice on fiscal, trade, and monetary policies. Global trade promotes access to international markets. Crisis management provides financial assistance in economic distress. Knowledge sharing offers data, training, and expertise. So IMF plus World Bank is equal to Bretton. These two are Bretton Woods twins. WTO succeeded GATT, General Agreement on Trade, Tariffs and Trade, in 1995. India, founding member of IMF, World Bank, WTO, UNCTAD, and ADB. NDB headquarters in Shanghai, first regional center for Johannesburg. First regional center in Johannesburg. So, in short, we can say IMF works for monetary stability, World Bank development, finance, WTO global trade rules, UNCTAD trade for development, ADB Asia focused development, NDB BRICS cooperation, OECD policy standards, WEF global economic dialogue. So that's all. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with